Celestial Seasonings Tea Shop in Boulder, Colorado wants to add a recommendation for how much room to leave at the top of a standard mug when filling a mug for tea. They are unsure of how to get this information, so they consult with the local fluid mechanics. The fluid mechanic takes on the project and quickly finds out that this problem is about the buoyancy force. To avoid any overflowing tea mugs, the fluid mechanic recommends leaving at least 0.3485 centimeters of space between the top of the water and the top of the mug. But how did she find this out? The fluid mechanic thinks back to her time in Professor Chin Woo's class, where she learned about the relationship between water height and time as an object is submerged in a liquid. She even remembers having an exam problem on it. She starts by drawing a diagram for the problem. As a tea bag is submerged in water, two equal and opposite forces act upon it. These forces are weight and buoyancy. Next, she records the necessary variables for this calculation. These are the tea bag mass at 2 grams, the gravitational acceleration at 9.81 meters per second squared, and the density of water at 90 degrees Celsius at 965.31 kilograms per meter cubed. A standard Celestial Seasonings tea bag has a height of 0.07 meters or 7 centimeters and a width of 0.06 meters. Pulling out her calculator, she solves for the force of buoyancy, which is density times volume submerged times the force of gravity, and the force of weight, which is mass of the tea bag times the force of gravity. She then sets these two forces equal to each other, as they are equal and opposite. From this, she solves for the volume submerged, which is 2.0272 e to the negative 6 meter cubed. Step 1 of the problem has been solved, so she moves on to step 2, calculating the change in water height when the tea bag displaces this volume of fluid. She measures the diameter of a standard mug to be 8.7 centimeters. Using this diameter, she calculates the surface area to be equal to 0.0059 meters squared. The change in height of the water in the cup is equal to the volume submerged divided by the surface area of the cup. Doing this calculation, the fluid mechanic finds that the change in water height is equal to 0.03485 centimeters. Thanks to the fluid mechanic's knowledge of buoyancy, Celestial Seasonings can now add steeping instructions to the side of their tea boxes, so no tea is spilled.